Welcome to Yamada America Incorporated. We have a bit of a competition. In this corner, Yamada's NDP-500 versus these guys where the weigh-ins are all even, as all pumps are identical in construction and size. For a fight to reach 125 GPM, all pumps have a back pressure of 10 PSI. In this fair fight, unofficially sanctioned by the Hydraulic Institute testing standards, currently in play, what does each pump have to do to get 125 GPM? Game on. At a 104.89 for SCFM, FM with the 89 PSI. Was recorded at 108.43 SCFM and 100 PSI. Was at 63.01 SCFM and at 61 PSI. And last, but most definitely not least, Yamada's NDP-500. Hold your hats for this. Yamada is at 67.6 for SCFM and 35 PSI. Hold on, I have to double check this. Wow! Let's compare these numbers side by side. The SCFM and the pressure that air was consumed were all recorded. As you can see, Yamada didn't need much air pressure to achieve 125 GPM. This is great! Yamada still reached the goal 125 GPM, but with less money and energy spent. For more information, call us at the number below or visit yamadapump.com.